Speed reading, sight words. This video explains how to use a PPT game to help children learn to speed read the top 100 English sight words. Teachers can download 5 PPTs by clicking on the links in the box below this video. No registration is required. Click on Speed 1 to show the word for several seconds. Click on Speed 2 to show the word quickly. Then click Pronounce to hear the word spoken by a native English speaker. 2. At the beginning of each set, let your students choose if they want to play Speed 1 or Speed 2. Each PPT contains 4 sets of 5 sight words for a total of 20 sight words. Each set will present the same sight words several times to give students practice. Each time you play, don't click on the words in one set in the same order as before. If you click on the words in the same order each time you play, then the students will just memorize the order of the words and won't actually try to read them. For example, the third time you play, start on slide 7, then go to slide 3, then slide 11. The PPTs are free and can be downloaded at the website Mega. Just click on each of the 5 links in the box below this video. No registration is required. When opening the PPT, you will see this box. Just click Read Only. You will need to download the PPT directly from Mega each time you use it because it's a read-only file. So, save the links so you can access the PPTs anytime you want. It would be great if you subscribe to my channel. The end. Thank you.